Here in the shop at Matthews Painting Company, doing some training on some skim coating. One of the keys is to get as much mud as possible up onto the wall, and if you notice, he now is taking mud off and making it a little smoother. So we're going to lay a whole bunch of mud on the wall. Notice that the handle is close to the wall here, so that more mud is staying on. This is a time where you don't want to be too particular. Get all of it on. We're using a quick set 45-minute right now, which means it sets up a little bit fast. Now he's going to go. Handle's coming up just a little bit there. He's actually taking off. He'll do some up swipes as well, because it's there to kind of get the drywall compound going in a couple of different directions just to fill voids. So it's a quick tutorial on some skim coating of a wall if you have damage from removing wallpaper or large surfaces that need refinished.